Everybody hide, JoJo's about to be here. Mom, JoJo's 18, why are we still having surprise parties for her? Because she likes it, Jaden, now go hide. Fine, whatever. Mom, I'm home from dance class. Surprise! Surprise, JoJo! What the hell, JoJo? You punched me in the throat! Don't be a baby, Jaden. I just got scared. Mom, where are my presents? They're right over in the other room, JoJo. Here's your first present, JoJo. Presents! Give me! Trolls? I didn't want trolls! I wanted Cocomelon! What the hell, JoJo? My birthday is ruined! Mom, can I start eating the cake?